All right, so you can solve exponential applications. So the assignment today is 9.3. You got it on Monday, right? So here's an example of something from your assignment. So let's answer this. What's the initial value in this sentence? There are 10 grams. Easy, right? 10. You got 10 G's. Now, factor. This is curium-245, which has a what? Life. No. Half-life. So what's the factor?
I can't see because your head is away. 0.5.
Okay. If it's a half-life, your factor is half. Hey. Yeah, you. I'll have to move you closer to me because you keep doing that.
I don't do
Actually, probably about to do that right now.
that. I don't do that.
You're about to get moved.
Don't do that.
Yes, sir. I actually probably am about to do that right now. It is actually literally about to happen. By the way, the initial value is called the P for the principal. Now, what's the period? If it's a half-life of... Wait, hold on. Half-life, how long does it take to have a half-life? How long does it take to have a half-life? Okay, 9,300, right? If you read the problem, it'll tell you what the period is. It's right after the word half-life. 9,300 is my period. Okay, and that's K, by the way. Now, the one thing that's not on here you can write is the time. How much time are we looking for at the very end of this question? 37,200, right? Okay. Now that we have that, can we plug that into this equation up here? Let's do it. Y equals, what's my P?
Y equals
10. And then parentheses, what's my rate? My factor? 1/2 or 0.5 is fine. To the power of T over K, we said the period, sorry, the time is 37,200 over the period, which is 9,300. Right. Okay, there we go. Okay, I know it's kind of ugly looking, but that is our half-life formula. So if I plug it in the calculator and I press Control-Enter, I get 0.625. Okay. So again, when you're typing this in, you're going to put like Control-Divide to get a fraction. Hey, you're getting moved. You're getting moved from being mid. Can you see from that, Gus? I think so. Then I can do two things at once. Yep. Two things done at once.
He's plotting.
I am plotting. Y'all talk too much too.
Yeah, you should move. Shut the hell up, Colin.
Shh. Yeah, you should be away from
He
that.
insults me a lot.
Yeah, because you don't take that stuff off your desk. There, you should be away from that plug. Right up front with me. All right. Well, anyways, so what did we get here? 0.625. Oh my gosh. So we got 0.625. That is how much curium-245 is left after all that time. Okay? So again, I know it's a weird small number, but if you start with 10 grams and it keeps halving and halving and halving, okay, that's... How do you type this in? Okay, well, you start with the 10, that's easy. Parentheses. The half is Control-Divide, 1/2. Now, to get up here, you do caret, and then you do Control-Divide to make a fraction up here. So caret, Control-Divide, 37,200 on top, 9,300 on the bottom. All right. Cool. All right. So I'm going to pass out, or no, you already got your little grade sheet, so you know what your grade is. If you need to do a quiz correction, I'm going to get that to you. And this is your data, finish 9.3. Okay, the front side is good. Cool. Let's get that done. Here we go.